Hello viewers, have you heard of the concept of sunk cost fallacy? If you haven't, in this video we will describe sunk cost fallacy with 3 examples and one situation where sunk cost fallacy can actually prove to be beneficial to the person concerned. But before that, let's understand what is meant by the word fallacy. A fallacy is a mistaken belief, especially one based on unsound arguments. Now, the sunk cost fallacy is when we continue an endeavor or a project because of the money, time, effort, or even emotion sometimes that we have already invested in the endeavor, even if continuing the endeavor is no longer the best decision. The phrase sunk cost comes from economics, referring to costs that have already been incurred and cannot be recovered. But the cost doesn't always have to be money. It can be time, it can be effort, it can be emotions, as I previously stated. For example, imagine a doctor who has spent years studying, training, and now practicing medicine, despite realizing that they would be more financially successful in a different profession, like say finance. They stick with medicine because of the time and money already invested, hoping that their not insignificant career will see better days in the future. This is a classic case of the sunk cost fallacy. You want another example? A teacher continues teaching in a college because of the undeniable emotionally rewarding experience associated with teaching, ignoring the fact that more profitable ventures may be available to him elsewhere. Maybe the teacher wants that one last feather in their cap. Lastly, let's talk about a YouTuber who fails to read the writing on the wall, continues making more videos, hoping that his next video will go viral and his channel will get monetized. He continues making more videos because of the time, money, effort, and emotions invested in starting a YouTube channel. Now, sunk cost fallacy can also apply to human relationships if you think about it. But the origins of this concept lie in the world of economics. And in this instance, in the case of human relationships, a positive utility can be found if people take into account the cost already sunk and make an effort to coexist harmoniously. It's important to remember that past investments should not dictate our future decisions. We need to assess each situation objectively and make choices based on what will bring us the most benefit moving forward, regardless of what we've already put in. So next time you find yourself holding on to something just because you've already put so much into it, remember the sunk cost fallacy. Try to make decisions that are best for you in the present moment. Stay smart, stay sharp, and keep growing. Thank you for watching this video. Take care, bye-bye, and please don't forget to be awesome.